Insights on the Fifth Commandment of God. The Fifth Commandment of God, according to the Bible, is, "Honor your father and your mother," Exodus 20:12 and Deuteronomy 5:16. This commandment is one of the 10 given to Moses on Mount Sinai, forming a foundational part of the ethical teachings in the Judeo-Christian tradition. Here's a deeper look into this commandment. 1. Meaning of honor. The term honor encompasses more than just respect. It implies a deep-seated regard and value for one's parents. This includes showing them respect, listening to their advice, and caring for them, particularly as they age. 2. Cultural and historical context. In ancient Israelite society, family and clan structures were crucial to social stability and continuity. The commandment emphasizes the importance of maintaining these structures by respecting and upholding familial relationships. 3. Promises and benefits. The commandment comes with a promise that your days may be long upon the land which the Lord your God is giving you. This suggests a link between honoring one's parents and experiencing a long and prosperous life. It reflects a broader principle found in many cultures that respecting family bonds contributes to personal and communal well-being. 4. Application across ages. While the commandment originally addressed relationships in an ancient context, its principles are widely applicable. Respecting and caring for parents is seen as a timeless value that supports strong, healthy family relationships and societal stability. 5. New Testament perspective. In the New Testament, this commandment is reaffirmed and expanded upon. For instance, in Ephesians 6:1-3, Paul encourages children to obey their parents as part of living a Christian life, reinforcing the commandment's enduring importance. 6. Modern implications. While the specifics of how one honors their parents might differ across cultures and eras, the underlying principles remain relevant. Respect, care, and appreciation for one's parents are seen as virtues that enhance family dynamics and personal integrity. The Fifth Commandment serves as a reminder of the importance of family relationships and the ethical obligation to respect and support one's parents throughout their lives.